Hey everybody, welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco, and on this channel we encourage everyday people to live healthier by inspiring them to cook delicious food at home. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Today I'm going to show you how to bottle up summer. We are going to be making fresh limoncello. What better way to wrap up summer than by making a delicious bottle of limoncello, the epitome of summer in Italy, just that bottled lemon liqueur. Absolutely one of my favorite things. And then you can stash it in the freezer and you can always have a little sip throughout those colder months when you're just missing that warmer weather. So the big things that we're gonna need for limoncello, and it's really important to use organic lemons. And the reason why you have to use organic lemons is because the element that we're really going to be pulling off of it is the lemon peel, and certainly that's going to be the part that takes on the most pesticides, the most chemicals, things like that. So again, that's why you really want to get spring for the organic lemons, especially because we're not using much else in this. Otherwise, we're going to also need some 95% grain alcohol. You can find that at the liquor store, and we're also going to be using some sugar and water a little later in this. But for our lemons, we need about 10 lemons, and again, we're really just taking the peel. And I just have 2 mason jars here that we're going to set this all up in. And you can just take your vegetable peeler and go right down the side of the lemon. So again, we're really looking to just get the peel. So you want to try to leave as much of the pith on the lemon, the pith is the white part, as possible. And we're just going to put these peels into our jars. And once I get all my lemons peeled, we're going to cover them with that grain alcohol. So we have all of our lemons peeled. The actual lemons, just set aside. You can make lemonade with them, you can make lemon chicken with them, but certainly don't throw them out. And then our lemon peels I have in 2 mason jars that I have tight fitting lids for. And we are gonna put that grain alcohol right on top of them. So again, about 50-50 split, so this is a liter. And then we're gonna seal these up, and these are just gonna hang out on the countertop for at least 2 weeks. Once our lemon peels have been sitting with that grain alcohol for about 2 weeks, now we're gonna put our limoncello together. So I've got 4 1/4 cups of water, and to that I'm gonna add 2 1/2 cups of sugar, and just let this simmer till our sugar melts and becomes a nice simple syrup. Then we're gonna let this cool completely. To our simple syrup, we're gonna add that grain alcohol that's been infused with the lemon peels. We strained the lemon peels out of here. We'll just get this well mixed and bottled up. Stir your limoncello in an airtight container in the freezer. It's gonna last you a nice long time. You can enjoy a little bit after dinner all through the season. Guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe and your Labor Day weekend. Of course, be safe and responsible. I will see you guys next time. You can find the recipe at caradifalco.com. You can follow me, Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. Salud.